Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So it's a good thing you can't see over here to the right of me because I've been doing some online shopping and I got boxes piled up. But we're not going to be discussing those today because today I have a Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is an online styling service. They'll curate 5 items based on a profile that you fill out, ship them to you. Shipping is free both ways. Keep what you want, send back what you don't. You can schedule your fix on demand. You can schedule it to have come every couple weeks, every month, quarterly, etc. And every time you get a fix, it's $20. They do offer the style pass after you've gotten a certain amount of fixes and kept a certain amount of items. And that is $49 a year. So what that does, that eliminates that styling fee for $20. There's no downside for getting the styling pass. Whether you get that $49 for a year or that $20 for a fix, anything you keep will be applied to that styling fee. If you do not have the style pass, that $20 is then lost, and then the next box would be another $20. So if you are offered that style pass, it's a win-win situation. Get it. You now do get a preview of items. They'll show you 10 items and you can select up to 5 or none at all. And if you select none at all, typically what happens is you'll get another preview. Okay, on to what's in this fix. So the first item that I received is a Stitch Fix exclusive. It's by Liverpool. The name of these pants are called the Faye, F-A-E, straight leg jean in black. I got them in a size 0, so they are not petite. They're the pull-on style. They have regular patch pockets in the back. They have faux pockets in the front. They're more like a jegging, right? But they have a slightly straighter but tapered leg. The mix of fabrics is 38% cotton, 31% viscose, 29% polyester, and 2% elastane, and they are made in China. I will try these on. There's nothing wrong with them, nothing I dislike about them. I just simply do not need plain black pants. And I'm kind of avoiding this elastic style waist because I kind of feel that's kind of more of a legging. I don't know. I'll try them on. I am not hopeful for them. Plus, they're not petite, so I have a feeling they're going to be a little bit long, okay? The next item that I received that I'm kind of interested in, but the price is up there, is by Modern Citizen, the Haina twist front collared, and it cuts off. Twist front collared shirt, okay? Size extra small. It's $108, which I don't know. That seems to me kind of crazy. So it's a button-down style, which usually isn't my thing, but it has like this gathered waist. I'll show you in the back. You see it has an elastic around the waist to make it more flattering. And a gathered style, and I am kind of looking for a more statement white shirt. And you can see it has like a wide sleeve, so we'll see what this looks like on. It does look quite thin and see-through, like I'll have to wear a cami or something underneath. And the price, again, is $108. And let me see if I can see what the fabric is. Fabric. Well, it says machine wash, cold, lay flat to dry, 100% cotton, which kind of surprises me. Well, no, I guess it doesn't. I thought it had some stretch to it. But yeah, it's a nice soft poplin cotton too. So it's not like a stiff cotton. It is a nice soft cotton. All right. Next up is the one item that I chose for my style preview. It's the 41 Hawthorne Shanley Cashmere V-neck top in dark gray, size extra small, for $100. I am looking for a cashmere sweater. In my preview, they showed me 3 loafers, 2 of them black, 1 of them a brown clog style, and then two different V-neck, the same V-neck cashmere sweaters, and then a cashmere wrap. So there wasn't much variety in my preview. So this is 100% cashmere. I was kind of hoping for a black one versus a dark gray one. I will try this on. It's a maybe, it's a possibility. And again, the price of this one is $100 even. The next one is this Vero Moda sweater. It's the Sadella, S-A-D-E-L-L-A, texture crew neck in taupe, they're calling it, size extra small. And I would almost call this like almost like an apricot, I don't know. It's not quite taupe. It has like a mauvey color to it. And you can see that it's textured. Let's see if I come closer and actually see if you can see that. And see how it has the extra lines in here throughout. It has the rib cuffs. It is a crew neck style, which isn't always my favorite. It does have the banded bottom, but it is a very wide, boxy sweater. So we'll have to see how this lays. Let's see if I can find the fabric content of this. This one is made in Cambodia. Oh boy. Looks like it's 42% polyester, 3% elastane, 3% nylon, and obviously there's something else which I don't know what it is, because that does not equal 100%. That equals 48%. So I don't know what the other 52% might be. Oh, no, 50% recycled polyester was on the other side. So it's mostly polyester. It is a soft sweater. Nothing against it, but it isn't wowing me right now. So we'll try it on and see how it looks. Next up is this nice red sweater. I do need a red sweater. Right? I don't have any red sweaters. This one has a very high crew neck, which really is not something I appreciate. I like more of a scoop neck, a V-neck. I will try it on again to see how it looks. I'm not against completely. This is 87% cotton, 13% acrylic, and it is machine washable, lay flat to dry. Nice material, nice material. And this seems like a medium weight, nice quality. It has the banded cuffs here. Traditional crew neck style, and a large banded bottom at the bottom. However, this as well seems very wide and boxy, so we'll have to just see how it lays. All right, give me a minute and I'll do a try on. Okay, I have the first two pieces on. I have on the Sanctuary sweater and the black Liverpool pants. The black Liverpool pants, they're very comfortable. I did have to get them a little bit hiked over my hips. But once I got them over my hips, they feel fine. They have the wide waistband here, which hits my belly button. So for me, I consider that a mid-rise. Again, no pockets in the front, straight leg style. You can kind of see they are a little bit long for me, so they're kind of bunching here at the knees a little bit. If I needed pants, that would not be a deal breaker for me. I'm not tripping over them. They feel comfortable. But at this point, I don't need anything in my wardrobe. So like when I first had my weight loss journey probably about 4 years ago, I think it was 2018, when I finally got down to the size, I would have been, yeah, let me grab it, I need pants. But now I don't need anything. So I'm being extra picky about what's in my wardrobe. I'll come closer so you can see the sweater. It's an oversized style, and I just feel it does nothing for me. There is a lot of extra room in this here, and I don't care for big boxy styles on me. I think they kind of look sloppy. That doesn't mean I want things that are skin tight, but I do like things that come in and kind of give me a waist of some sort. So this sweater is going to be a no, and I just think it's all around just oversized and just unflattering on me. All right. Very nice material. If this is a style that you like, or maybe you're a little bit taller than me, I would definitely recommend this. This is a very nice quality sweater. It just fits me awful. All right, give me a minute and I'll pop on the next item. Okay, next up is the Vero Moda sweater. I kind of feel the same way about this sweater as I did the other one. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a nice quality. It's nice and soft. However, I just feel like it's this big, boxy, shapeless sweater. I'll come closer so you can see. Maybe if it had the V-neck or something to it, it might be a little bit better, but I just kind of feel frumpy in this. All right, here's the back of it. And obviously I kept on the pants, which I feel they're extremely comfortable, very nice. I just don't need them at this point. Okay, so yeah, highly recommend this sweater for someone else, maybe someone taller than me. All right, give me a minute. Next sweater. Okay, next up is this cashmere sweater, and it is luxuriously soft. This is more the style and shape that I like. It's more body contouring and fitted than the other sweaters, and this is the style I like. I also like the V-neck. You know, here is the back of it. That said, this sweater is $100 and it is a thinner cashmere. And I know that I can go at Macy's, Nordstrom, etc. and end of season sale. I could probably get one that's about the same price or maybe even a little bit cheaper on sale that is maybe a little bit thicker than this one. This is, I say, fairly thin. And I was kind of really hoping for a black cashmere and not a gray. I did want to try this to see what it was like, because if it ever did come in black, I might snag it. But honestly, I think I prefer a black one than a gray one. But it is a very lovely sweater. But I honestly think you can do better you doing a department store. All right, here's the back of it. And again, if I needed these items, I might jump in on them, but due to the fact I have so much already, my closet's ready to explode, and my budget's fairly limited, I have to only purchase things I absolutely love. All right, give me a minute, I'm gonna pop on the button down. Okay, last up, I was lazy and did not want to put on a cami on this, so sorry if you can see completely through it. This top is awful. I don't have anything positive to say about it. Maybe if you were a different body type than me, it would work for you, but this just fits wonky for me. So first place, the waist, it's way too high. It's coming around, this is my rib cage here, so it's coming around my rib cage. So it's too short this way, right? It's got this big button here, and you flap it open and you can see my stomach. It's just way too short here. The top part here is like way too big. The V is too low. I definitely have to wear a cami under it because it's too low. But there's just also way too much fabric up here in length. But it doesn't come down any further. Like, it gets stuck. So yeah, no. And then when I raise my arms, forget it. And it's like tight here in the shoulders. So this is just overall an ill-fitting top on me. The sleeves, well, I get the idea of the style, and you're trying to make this like funky style. It just feels like I'm wearing my daddy's shirt. I mean, I don't have anything positive to say about this. When I had it hanging out and looking at it, I'm like, oh cool, a statement shirt, and I put it on, I'm like, oh no, this is just not working for me. All right, here is the back of it. So I'm not heartbroken at all because it was $108, so I'm kind of glad that it's this awful on me, because then it's not something I really want. So I think I'm going to be sending back this fix. I went a little cuckoo, like I said, at Nordstrom and have a bunch of stuff over here to the right of me that I am really interested in. And I really, at this point, only need to purchase things that I absolutely love. And while this was a very lovely fix and nice sweaters, they're just nothing that are really blowing my mind. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I do shopping hauls and try-ons. Give this video a thumbs up and click that notification bell. Take care, and until next time.